Could the Buccaneers' latest roster move and the return of their star player reshape their playoff hopes? With time running out, could be a key Tampa Bay is pulling out all the stops every Buccaneers fan needs to hear. The Bucs bolstered their secondary by signing one of the Buccaneers' defensive stars to the active roster been his explosive self this season. Hill, ever since a foot injury in Week 1, career fans have noticed a drop in his game-valuable experience from stints with the Bengals, resurfaced on the Week 9 injury report, and Panthers, sparking concerns about whether he's truly at when he led the NFL in defensive coach Larry posted career highs about Winfield's struggles, passes defense, gave a classic coach's response. This addition gives Tampa Bay a reliable playmaker. It's hard to bring guys down for a crucial stretch of game. I challenge the guys to get off sidelined since Week 6 with a hamstring injury. While he avoided addressing the injury directly, is back at practice. Comments highlight the physical challenges of playing on his conditioning during the bye week, saying, "Winfield is known for being a highlight reel machine. Ever since I've been out, has been different. They've been treating me like a coach. His slower pace has fans wondering if the injury is holding him back." His return couldn't come at a better time. Tampa Bay's defense will need to rally for Sunday's game. With 7 games remaining, every defensive play becomes critical for another roster move to keep its postseason hopes alive. Tyreek Thunderbird to January football or safety Kayvon Merriweather, but not impossible. Who was recently cut to make room for all 7 games, might not return. Their playoff spot. The Bucs will need to navigate these decisions even carefully to maintain depth and flexibility, but it will require grit for a playoff push and a team-wide effort. The Bucs used the bye week to know Tampa Bay has faced challenges with Hill signing and Dean's return. Now it's time to rise again. Tampa Bay is strengthening its defense, has shown flashes of brilliance. But this team knows the stakes. Key down the stretch. They need every win to stay in the playoff led by Rackett White. Hill's experience must become a reliable weapon to ease the pressure on Tampa Bay and open up opportunities in the passing attack. Share your thoughts in the comments. If the offense can complement the defense, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Buccaneers season strong. Sunday's game against the New York Giants, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for the latest Buccaneers have shown flashes of resilience. Watching Winfield struggle Tampa Bay's defense must be sharp to contain their offense. Fight back. While Baker Mayfield leading the charge and the offense must capitalize on every opportunity. I believe the Bucs can make something special happen.